Welcome to your Beaufort County News Headlines. I'm Matt Golden, and here are today's top stories. USC Salkehatchie is serving as a model of how a community college can help serve, improve, and transform a community. USC Salk, which operates branch campuses of the University of South Carolina in the rural areas of Allendale and Walterboro, is now offering future law enforcement officers and criminal justice majors access to state-of-the-art forensic science lab, while also offering the community free access to artificial intelligence workshops. Combined with its previous curriculum offers, USC Salk educators hope to bring their rural communities into the future with the skills and technology they will need to succeed. USC Salkehatchie recently celebrated the opening of its forensic science lab at its Allendale campus, marking a significant advancement in criminal justice education in the Lowcountry. The state-of-the-art facility will provide students with hands-on experience in fingerprinting, drug testing, DNA analysis, and other crucial intrinsic techniques. The lab, a culmination of years of planning and collaboration, is poised to enhance the education of current students, attract future students to the criminal justice program, and further the university's mission of providing higher education and intellectual leadership to the region. Nestled near the heart of the Ace Basin, McMillan's operations is part of South Carolina's growing shellfish farming industry, a practice also known as aquaculture. Baking under the June sun, this sweltering nursery building is the first step for Lowcountry's oysters. They'll mature a bit in these tanks before moving out onto the marsh. A pump siphons water a few dozen feet from Mosquito Creek, one of the Ashepoo River's tributaries, and into the tanks. It's about as sustainable as you can get, said McMillan, who also is vice president of the SC Shellfish Growers Association. Oysters are a critical ally in the Lowcountry efforts to adapt to rising seas. The bivalve shells form the foundation of the so-called living shorelines, which can stabilize coastlines and protect communities from storm surge, tidal flooding, and erosion, all while the little creatures filter runoff along South Carolina's rapidly developing coast. Whether grown or farmed, an oyster can filter up to 50 gallons of water a day. Coastal communities are investing millions of dollars in oyster-based erosion control practices, but demand is beginning to outstrip supply. According to a 2023 report from the Coastal Conservation League, local farming operations like Lowcountry Oyster Company could play a part in meeting that burgeoning need. The oyster beds will help keep the river and the ocean from pulling sediment away, said J.D. Borgstedt, Lowcountry Oyster Company's Eco-Tour Director. As South Carolina gets more and more developed, a lot of the wetlands are being built over. Those natural hindrances to erosion aren't around. The bivalves play a critical role in shaping South Carolina's coastal ecosystem. They're a keystone species that form the bedrock for salt marsh habitats and the fish, shellfish, and mammals that call those landscapes home. The town of Bluffton is accepting scholarship applications through March 1st, 2025 for up to 4 $1,500 scholarships. The town will award scholarships to local seniors and college students who are safe driving ambassadors. The Stay Safe Bluffton scholarships are awarded to honor academic and civic achievement while encouraging all students to influence their peers to be safe driver in order to reduce vehicle incidents. Stay Safe Bluffton is a local safe driving campaign to reduce traffic collisions in our region and raise awareness of mindful driving, especially among our town's younger residents. For a complete scholarship application, please head to their website. Town leaders say the campaign annual 5K race, which is held in conjunction with the town's Independence Day celebration to raise funds for these scholarships and resulting scholarships, act as a reminder for everybody to just drive and be mindful of not multitasking while driving. The 4 scholarship winners will be chosen from Bluffton High, May River High, the private high schools, the homeschooled seniors, or a local college or vocational school student. Scholarship winners will be announced in April. For more information on any of these stories, please visit the sources on the screen, and as always, you can head to BeaufortCountySC.gov, where you can find press releases straight from Beaufort County. Thanks for tuning in to your Beaufort County News Headlines. Have a great day, Beaufort County.